Hello, welcome to the CryptoTicker tutorial for our dashboard. So I've gone to CoinGecko.com, scrolled down to the bottom, clicked on Developer API, Explore Docs, and I'm taking a look now at the HTTP API interface for the Crypto API. So let's go to Simple and Price, which gets the current price of any cryptocurrency that we put in this list. Let me change the theme back. It's easier to read here. I can go try it out, and I'm going to go Monero to AUD, execute, and it gives me back a JSON response. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation, and you can Google it if you want. Alright, so I need to make a HTTP request to this URL with the header accept application JSON in order to get back the current price. So I'm going to use Python's built-in urllib.request module. So from urllib.request import capital R request and the URL open function. Then I'm going to have my request object, I'm going to call REQ, will be an instantiation of this request class where the URL is this one here. And I need to add in a accept header. So I use the add header function with a key of accept and a value of application JSON. I then go with URL open, request as response, JSON response equals response.read.decode UTF-8. So read gives me back the bytes, a bit stream basically, that the server sent back, and I decode that bit stream as UTF-8. So that will give me back a string containing this. I need to pass that, which means I need to convert it from that string, this stringified form, into an actual object. So I can use the built-in JSON module for that. So I'll go down here and do price JSON. I'll go price equals JSON.loadS, which stands for load from string. Now I'll put JSON response, and I'll go print price. So let's just take a quick look at this. So I'll run that in my terminal, and I can see it's printed out the price object. But we want to turn this into a web page. So what we're going to do is, so forgot to mention, this CryptoTicker file you should make inside your CGI bin directory. You can see it's here. I'm going to open up Hello World and grab out the text. Don't know whether you caught that. So I'll just do it here again. So I'm opening it, copying all the text, and I'm going to paste that in here. Then I'm going to move these imports up to the top and move this CJITB enable call up to the top as well. This enables the debugging. And then I'm going to write out using the print the HTML. So I say that the content I'm returning is HTML here in this one, and now I start writing the HTML. So I'm just going to go XMR AUD, and inside this format string, I'm going to go into price, look in, what's the structure of it again? Monero, then AUD, Monero, AUD. So I'm going to start up my server and open this URL, and then navigate to cgi-bin and then the name of the script, cryptoticker.py. And I can now see my web page which displays the current price of Monero. And yes, okay, let me mention this. So let's extend this so it works with an arbitrary crypto. So I'm going to go crypto name and make that a variable. And now in here, the URL, put an F out the front to make it a format string. And in there, I'm going to put the crypto name. So before it was plain text Monero, I'm going to replace it with crypto name. And then down here in the price, I replace it with the crypto name variable. So that's in the 3 spots. Here declaring, in the URL, and then in the this dictionary lookup. So let's change it to link, which is for chain link, which I think is a bit dumb, but we'll try it anyway. And we also need to put it here. Crypto name. So link is at $184 US. So I'll say crypto name abbreviation, and I'm going to change it back. And put the abbreviation there instead. There we go. So that's that.